Check this out. This clip was generated in Google Flow, and if you look closely, there is no watermark anywhere on it, even though Flow adds one by default on most exports. I am going to show you 3 completely free ways to get rid of it, starting with a proper editing tool, and then 2 even faster options if you do not want to install anything at all. So here is the problem. You generate the perfect clip in Google Flow, the shots look great, the motion is clean, and then right in the corner sits that watermark, even if you are paying for a pro plan. The good news is you do not need any paid software to remove it, and none of these methods take more than a few minutes. Let's start with the most thorough method, using a free video editor called Shortcut. Head over to shortcut.org, download it for your operating system, and install it. Once it is open, create a new project, pick a folder to save your work in, give it a name, and click Start. From there, click Open File and import the clip you want to clean up. If you have more than one clip to fix, I would actually import all of them at once so you can knock out every watermark in a single pass instead of repeating the whole process later. Drag each clip onto your timeline. Then select the first one. Click on Filters, hit the plus sign and search for Spot Remover. Once you select it, a rectangle will appear over your preview. Just click and drag that box directly over the watermark, and it will automatically blend it out using the footage around it. Repeat that same step for every clip on your timeline. Once you are done, click Export, then Export Video and Audio. Choose your folder, rename the file, and that is it. You are left with a clean version with no watermark anywhere on it. Now, if installing an editor sounds like more effort than you want to deal with, there is a much faster option. You can do this entirely inside an online editor like Canva or CapCut, no downloads required. The trick here is simple. You just zoom in slightly on your clip, enough to push the watermark corner outside the visible frame. Since Flow tends to place its watermark in a fixed spot near the edge, a small zoom is often all it takes to crop it out completely. This will not work perfectly for every single shot, especially if your framing is already tight. But for most clips, a slight zoom is genuinely enough, and it takes seconds instead of minutes. And the third option, which I actually like for a different reason, not just removing the watermark, but replacing it with something of your own. Inside Canva or CapCut, you can add your own small watermark, a logo, your channel name, or even just a subtle text overlay right where Flow's watermark used to sit, or anywhere else on the frame. This works well if you are posting these clips anywhere public, since it turns a limitation into actual branding for your own channel or page. So that is 3 ways to deal with the Google Flow watermark. A proper frame-by-frame fix using Shortcut. If you want the cleanest possible result, a quick zoom inside Canva or CapCut if you just want it gone fast, or replacing it with your own branding if you want to make the clip clearly yours. All 3 are completely free, and none of them take more than a few minutes once you get the hang of it. One more thing. A lot of you have been asking about the talking avatar I have used in a few of my recent videos, the one built entirely inside Google Flow. If you want a full walkthrough on how I created that, drop a comment below letting me know, and I will put together a dedicated video on it next. If you found this useful, drop a like and share it with anyone else generating clips in Flow. And if you want to see more of these quick AI video tips, go ahead and subscribe. I have got a lot more of these coming.